I'm going to drop some metals in water. First, lithium. Next, I'll try some sodium. Do you hear that fizzing noise? That fizzing is coming from hydrogen gas that's being produced as the metals react with water. Let's try adding some potassium. Wow, that was cool. The potassium metal reacted with the water so fast and produced so much energy that the hydrogen gas produced ignited into flame. Finally, let's add some calcium to water. While we wait to see if the calcium reacts, check out the way sodium's skidding around on the water surface. Also, the color change you see as the reaction proceeds is due to a dye that I added to the water. This dye turns blue in the presence of base, and indeed these reactions do produce base. And by now, it's easy to see that calcium reacts with water also. What do you see going on in these reactions? Let me know your observations in the comments.